Hello guys, welcome to Spyro Tech 365. Today I am going to show you how to stabilize a shaky footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. So first of all, we have imported our footage in Adobe Premiere Pro, then insert into the sequence. After that, we will apply warp stabilizer from the effects panel. You can clearly see that the video is analyzing after applying the warp stabilizer effect from the effects panel, and it requires some time to analyze the video. After analyzing the video, we can see how much the video has been stabilized. You can see that without the warp stabilizer the video is shaky, and if we turn on the warp stabilizer effect, the video is stabilized than previous one. So by this way we can stabilize the footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here is a camera shake, there is a shakiness in our footage. So by this way we can stabilize any shaky footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. So that's it for today. If you love and enjoy our video, please like, comment and share this one. Do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you.